If you think saving money will make you rich, you've already lost. Because while you're saving, your money is slowly disappearing right in front of you. And most people never even realize it. You feel responsible. You're trying to do the right thing, putting money aside, staying disciplined. But here's the truth. Saving alone is not enough. You work hard, you earn money, but nothing really changes. The numbers go up, then back down again, and you're stuck in the same cycle. You try again the next month, hoping something will change, but deep down, you already know the pattern. Money that just sits does not grow. In fact, it loses value over time. So even though you think you're saving, you're actually falling behind. Prices keep rising, life keeps getting more expensive, but your money stays the same. The goal is not just to save money. The goal is to make your money work for you. Because real wealth is built through systems, not effort alone. And once you understand this, everything starts to make sense. You stop chasing money and start building it. Start small. You don't need a lot of money. You just need to start. Learn something, build something, try something. Progress begins the moment you take action. Most people wait for the perfect time, but the truth is, the perfect time never comes. Then take what you earn and put it into something that grows, a skill, a business, or an investment. Because money that moves multiplies, slowly at first, then faster than you expect, until one day it becomes unstoppable. This is where everything changes. Same person, same income, but different decisions. And suddenly, life starts moving forward. Not overnight, not instantly, but step by step, things begin to change. This is the result. Not luck, not magic, just consistency. And consistency always wins. So now the question is, will you stay where you are, or will you take control? Start now, not tomorrow, not next week, now. Save, invest, grow. Because 1 year from today, you'll either thank yourself or regret not starting. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video.